Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your M&T Bank online banking service. So if you are on online banking service of the M&T Bank, it will help you to initiate your routine transactions. It will also enable you to view your transactions anytime, anywhere, in any part of the world, and will also help you to schedule and manage your bill payments. Not only these services, there are a lot of other services, and if you want to get acquainted with that, you had to log into your account, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the M&T online banking app on your mobile device. After that, open up the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this, where you will be asked to enter your user ID and your passcode. So for entering your user ID, use this section and use this particular section to enter your passcode. After doing this, make sure that you also tick mark the remember user ID so that you don't have to keep entering the user ID again and again every single time that you try to log into your account. And after fulfilling these credentials, tap on the login button. After you tap on the login button, you will now get logged into your M&T Bank online banking service. So this is basically how it works. It's only going to take you about a minute to do all of these. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to How to Geek, and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.